All right, guys, take a look at this. We've got a clean, crisp, white Toyota Corolla here, fully masked and prepped, sitting pretty in the garage. Every edge is taped, every surface protected. This car might look calm now, but it's about to come alive. We've already taken care of the base coat. We're skipping all that in today's video. What you're here for is the magic, how to spray clear coat the right way. Most people get this part wrong, and that's where the shine lives or dies. So stick around, because we're diving straight into the clear coat, and I'll show you exactly how to do it properly. Okay, guys, the most important thing people overlook when spraying clear coat is the setup, especially the spray gun. Before anything else, you need to make sure your gun is properly set up. First, check the filter. A clean, proper filter is crucial. It keeps dirt and moisture out of your clear coat. Next, and the product you're using. For this job, we'll be using Auto Gold Clear Coat. It lays down smooth and gives a professional gloss if applied right. And we're using an HVLP spray gun with a 1.3 tip, which is perfect for clear coat. Once everything's set, you're ready to spray and get that glassy finish. Remember, setup is everything. Get that right, and the rest will follow. Dial in the right settings, adjust your fluid control. So today, I'm spraying clay coat on this panel, and I've learned a lot from the mistakes I made early on. The first time I used clay coat, I treated it like clear coat, just laid it on thick, thinking more product equals more shine. Huge mistake. It dried with this weird texture, like someone sprayed clear over sand. That's when I learned the importance of filtering the clay coat before it goes into the gun. Even if it looks clean, tiny clumps can sneak in, and once they hit the surface, it's game over for that glossy finish. Another lesson, dust is the silent killer, especially in a garage setup like mine. So now, before I even spray, I set up a fan blowing outward and hang a damp sheet near the door to trap floating dust. Simple trick, but it makes a huge difference. And when I'm spraying, I don't chase gloss like I used to. Clay coat is self-leveling, so it doesn't look amazing right away. And that's okay. If you go back and try to fix it while it's still flashing, you'll just ruin the surface. One more thing I do now is warm the panel. Clay coat loves heat. It lays flatter and flashes smoother. I use a cheap infrared lamp to keep the surface around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You'd be surprised how much cleaner the results are with just a little warmth. So yeah, spraying clay coat isn't just about technique. It's about preparation and patience. And all those early screw-ups, that's where the real learning happened.